Open Paytm app. Search fee by clicking the search icon. Select Olivia Enlightened English School. Select your option from the drop-down list. Select New Registration. Fill in the student details. Enter the fee details, for example admission. Fill in the amount as per the fee details. Click Proceed to pay now. Select the mode of payment option. I have chosen debit card for demonstration. Enter the card detail and click Pay button. Now wait for your OTP to be delivered in your registered mobile. Thank you. Your payment is done.